Probability with combinations. A bridge hand is made up of 13 cards from a deck of 52. Find the probability that a hand chosen at random contains at least 2 sevens. So we're going to be given 13 cards, and we would like to know what are the chances that in those 13 cards, I have at least 2 sevens. At least 2 sevens. Since cards are being taken as groups of a certain size, this involves combinations. We're forming groups of a certain size. Therefore, we're going to involve combinations in finding this probability. The phrase, at least 2 sevens, translates into 2 or 3 or 4 sevens. Now tag on the probability part. Probability of at least 2 sevens means the probability of 2 sevens plus the probability of 3 sevens plus the probability of 4 sevens. Notice how the word or translates into plus. So each of these probabilities is going to be a ratio of two numbers, a numerator and a denominator. Probabilities are made up of a ratio, a numerator and a denominator. Since they all have the same denominator, you just need to write it once. So this portion represents a probability of 2. This portion, probability of 3, and this portion represents a probability of 4. Now let's see what these numbers, where are they coming from? So we're going to form our 13 cards. For the probability of 2, you just take 2 cards, 2 sevens from the 4 sevens that are available. That's why we just went up to 4. Because in a deck of 52 cards, there's only 4 sevens. So from the 4, take the 2 that you need. From the other 48 cards that are not sevens, take the 11. Why 11? Because if we took 2, I still need 11 to complete the 13 cards I was dealt. For a probability of 3, you take your 3 cards from the 4 sevens are available. You take your 3 sevens. Now you've taken your 3 sevens. From the other 48 cards that are not sevens, take 10. Why 10? Because 10 plus 3 is the 13 cards you were dealt. Finally, from the 4 cards, for a probability of 4, from the 4 sevens, take the 4 sevens. So you have the sevens you need. From the 48 cards that are not sevens, take the other 9. Notice 9 plus 4 is 13, which is the cards we were dealt. Now key this in, and what you get is a probability of 0.2573. So what is the probability that at least 2 of the 13 cards are sevens? This is the probability. This is the chance. 0.2573, or in percent, this would be about a 26% chance that's going to happen.